Today, we're going to learn about regression analysis using categorical data. We have already learned that an independent factor in regression analysis has to be a numerical data and a ratio variable. However, if we are to use categorical data as an independent variable, we can use them by coding them using dummy variables. For variables with just two categories, we code them as 0 and 1. Regression analysis using categorical data is usually very much helpful in demographic studies and research. Also, while using categorical data, you must also have sufficient reasons to use them as independent variables and have sufficient reasons to believe that the inclusion of the categorical data will have an effect on your study or outcome. Let's begin by looking at the example that we have here. The employee salaries dataset provides salary and age data for 35 employees along with an indicator of whether or not the employees have an MBA indicated as yes or no. So we are here to create a regression model to predict salaries. Therefore, salaries would be the dependent variables and MBA and age would be the independent variable. First of all, we're going to create a new column and code MBA in this new column. Therefore, I'm going to name it as MBA underscore coded. So we're going to code no as 0 and yes as 1. For that, you can use the formula equals if MBA equals no put 0 or else the value is 1. Hit enter and then you can double click the small square right here and it will fill out the column itself. Also, we need to make sure that the value that we put inside the quotation match exactly as it is in the cell in the MBA column. Next, we're going to go to the data tab and use data analysis, hit regression, hit OK. So the Y range is the dependent variable, that is the salary, and in the X range is both age and the MBA coded, since it is a multiple regression analysis. And then we're going to put the output range right here and then hit OK. So this is the outcome that you will get with regression analysis, even if you have a categorical variable you have coded. Looking at the p-value, we can say that age and MBA coded are both a significant factor in determining salary, as both the p-values for age and MBA coded are less than 0.05. You need to make sure that you code it properly and then use the regression analysis as usual. Thank you. Have a good one.